wig where? All right, you guys, so let's get into it. So here is the box. Comes in a pretty royal purple, which is my favorite color. And I know I'm looking crazy right now with the hair, but we'll get to that. So in the package, it comes with the hair, obviously, in this cute little net bag here. A pair of flat irons, you guys. Wow, that's freaking awesome. Yeah, very, very cute flat irons. It looks like the temperature goes up to 220 Celsius. I don't know what that will be in degrees, but I'm thinking maybe 300. Wow, it also comes with a wig cap. It comes with some other goodies. Wow, let's see what's in here. It looks like it comes with, looks like a scarf, like kind of to lay your edges down. So it comes with that. A cute comb. Looks like some bobby pins. It looks like an extra latch to put on the your wig if it's like too loose or too loose. You can just tighten it up with that. Ooh, cute. And it looks like a little clip that says "Love Me." Oh, that's cute. Real cute. Let's get to the actual thing, which is the wig. So let's get to the wig. But yeah, you guys, so here is the U-part wig here. It's a 16-inch Kinky Straight. So this is how it looks. Now, as you can see in the color is jet black. You can see this is jet black, but I'm going to post a picture here or here. The color was like a natural black, so it had little specks of brown in it, which would not have matched with my hair because I dyed my hair jet black. So I dyed the wig jet black, and I used Cream of Nature. I used 2 boxes of these to dye it black on yesterday. But yeah, so like I said, this is a natural black. The cap size for this wig is a medium. As far as what I paid, so the initial price was $167.60, and they had some type of promotion code, which was ST30, I believe. So it brought the price down to $129.06. So it comes with this little string here that you basically is going to tear off to put the wig on. And also it comes with clips. So these will be the clips that you are going to clip on your hair here, there. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 clips. Oh, you guys, also it looks like it came with a pair of tweezers. So that is really awesome as well. All right. So like I said, we are going to cut this off. Make sure you just cut it off just like that. 1 there. And 1 on this side. Be careful so you don't cut the hair. All right, so that's off. All right, now as far as your hair is concerned, you guys can see my hair looks a mess. When you're using a U-part wig, you need to make sure that you have the braids in a way that the clips can go on. So basically I have braids going to the back, and I have them clipped up with bobby pins. And then I have leave out here, here, and then my leave out here at the top. All right, so that's basically how my pattern is as for my braids. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the clip in the middle. I'm going to clip that one on first. So we're going to clip that one on first. So get a nice grip and push it in, clip, and then the last part, as far as the front, clip this one on this anchor braid, or hit this anchor braid, and make sure it clamps down. There we go. All right, and then make sure you tighten the ones in the back. So now we're gonna get into what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to straighten this hair a little bit more because it's a little like thick, and I want to see if I can get it flat. So all right, you guys, so for the sake of the video, I just switched to my Baby Bliss flat irons because for some reason I was just not understanding how to turn that flat iron on. It said push button, it wasn't turning on, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, I don't got time for this. So I just changed to my Baby Bliss flat iron. So let us start to flat iron this hair. So like I said, I'm just going for more of a straight look. I'm not trying to put any curls in it today, but you know, I just want to kind of see how this, and the hair is so soft, you guys, like it's crazy. Wow. Oh yeah, flat, oh my gosh, it flat irons very, very, very well, you guys. So like I said, I'm not trying to get it like bone straight. I still want to see texture in the hair, but I'm just, you know, just wanted to kind of see how it does with flat ironing with heat on it. All right, so that looks good enough for me, I think. That looks good enough for me. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move to the leave out part right here. All right, so first what you wanna do is you want to part it. So I'm gonna use their comb. You wanna part it down the middle. So I'm gonna start with my part in the back. All right, you guys, so once you flat iron it down, I'm going to take like a hard bristle brush and just kind of brush and blend everything in together. So after you're done, just brush to blend everything together like so. Y'all, look how real this looks. Like, are you kidding me? Like, I cannot believe this. So after everything is brushed together and blended, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some edge booster, any type of edge control of your choice. I'm going to kind of lay some edges down a little bit. Not a lot of this stuff, because I found that edge booster leaves like a white residue and I don't like that. So not a lot, just a little bit. I'm going to get my little brush and then just put a little swoop in it. All right, you guys, so this is basically the final look. I am very, very, very happy about this purchase. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna be rocking this. This is something that's so quick and easy. Like, this whole process, for camera, of course it takes longer, but like if I was just doing this and not recording myself, this whole process will probably take me about 10 minutes. Like, seriously, it's that easy. But this is the final look. The hair is gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. But yeah, you guys, comment down below if you have any questions for me about this hair. Like I said, it's definitely a good buy. Luvme hair, I love this hair. I'm definitely probably going to be purchasing some other products from them. Also more U-part wigs, because they have a longer hair, they have bobs, all of that. So I'm definitely probably going to be purchasing more from them. But yeah, you guys, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later.